If you're first starting off making a watch, you don't need to spend 200 or 300 pounds, okay? You just need to spend like 100 pounds. That's all you need, okay? You can get the parts really cheap off of a website called AliExpress, okay? It takes a while for it to come, but it's a hell of a lot more worth it than having to spend 200 pounds, okay? Especially if you're maybe a student or just really young, you don't have too much money. Just spend the 100 pounds instead. I've actually created a template that you can get just for free, okay? It's a template to be able to create this kind of watch. All right, this is a fully automatic watch, so there's no batteries, but this is the very first watch that I made and I absolutely fell in love with making watches. It cost me less than £100, okay? So if you follow the template, you can spend £91 on it, which includes the tools, by the way, okay? Everything that you need to know is in the template. £91, that's all you need to spend. You don't need to go crazy. You can go crazy on it later on if you like, okay, but you need to make sure that you actually enjoy making watches first of all. There's a chance that you might screw it up. There's a chance you might damage the movement. The movement that I've linked within the free template is quite beginner friendly, and if you do damage it, it's fairly cheap, and it's also quite reliable. So if you if you accidentally drop your entire watch case while building, which I've actually done before, it will still be fine. There's a chance the hands might fall out, but you can still apply them very easily. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to see more videos like this. I do have more videos on watchmaking, so if you want to see more tips, you can check out the rest of my videos if you like. Other than that, I will see you later. Bye bye.